and namaste to everyone. I am Nam Yadav of class 10th. Do you know the speciality of today? Yes, today is Yoga Day, Music Day, and today is Father's Day. We celebrate Mother's Day, Nurse Day, Earth Day, this day and that day, but we never celebrate Father's Day. Every year, the third Sunday of June is observed as Father's Day. So, let us celebrate this Father's Day with a great zeal of enthusiasm and make this a memorable one. So now, I am going to take an interview of my father. He has went to duty now. When he will return, we will take. So this is a surprise for him. So let's get started. Once again, a very warm welcome to everyone. Today, our special guest is none other than Mr. Neeraj Kumar Yadav. Yes, your guess is right, my friends. He is my dad. He is working as an assistant commandant in CISF, presently posted at CR. So it's surprising for you.
Definitely, Beta. It's very surprising for me.
So as we are celebrating Father's Day today, how will you define the word father and his role in the family?
Father basically is symbol of strength that binds the entire family together. Person who works tirelessly to support family economically as well as morally. So basically, father a man of sacrifice in various roles. Make himself strict and teaches the children how to become tough and how to face hardship of life, and a man who do all the efforts to last extent for making his children happy. He teaches them lesson of life by way of what is good, what is bad, not for them, even for all. He is the man who play role of son for his father, a husband for his wife, a friend and a teacher for his children, and always try to become a role model for them so that his children become successful in life.
Wow, such a beautiful answer. So Daddy, who is the person who inspired you the most in your life? Who is a role model and why?
Obviously my father, because without taking a proper class, my father has taught me lesson of life. A lot of things I learned from by his experience.
So your father is the person who inspired you the most.
Definitely. Your grandpa is my role model, we can say, who inspired me.
That's great. So just tell me what all qualities you have learned from your father.
Actually, father having a lot of qualities. Every father having a lot of qualities. Depends upon you that what you are getting from them. From my father, as I say that I learned from him is that pay respect to everyone, help the needy. So, and another thing is that don't put restrictions. Means being friendly with your kids. So, restrictions means don't oppose anything which they don't want to do. Don't impose your desires upon them. Allow them what they want to do. Just try to make them understand that what is good and what is bad for them in respect of their future. So just to advise them, just to suggest them, in case if you are thinking that they are going on a wrong way, they are on a wrong track, in that way you have to take some hardship. So anyhow, being a father, which I have learned from my father is that, as I earlier also said, hardship is also a quality of a father. So if you have to become harder. So just do that. In spite of that, give them a good track, which I have learned from my father.
So, Daddy, which was the most precious thing you have received in your fatherhood, and which was the best moment for you?
Of course, you and your brother both are precious gift of my life, which gave by God. As you know, after completion of my energy tenure in 2005, I came to home in 2006 January, and your birthday is 5th of November. So in January when I came after the training, so when I saw your face first time after birth, that was the greatest moment of my life.
So, Daddy, in your opinion, how should a child be? What do you expect from a child?
It's not for me, actually. Being a father, every person of the world would like to expect from their kids that they should pay respect to everyone without discriminating on the basis of gender, caste, religion. So they should pay respect and regards to everyone. Another thing I would like to expect from my kids is that they should share all the experience, whether it is good or bad, what they have committed, whether it is wrong or right, they should share with me. I always try to behave like a friend so that they should not hesitate whenever they have any problem. If they have some success in his life, they should share with me. If they have some problem, they have any issue in any aspect, if they have, they should share with me, so that being a father I can provide a good solution to overcome their problem.
So, Daddy, as a good father, what will be your 3 advices to the younger generation to become a great father?
As I tell you every time, being a father, the same suggestions for them who is growing younger and in future will be father. They should teach their children that always go ahead with positive attitude without counting failures. One day definitely they will get success. Another thing I would like to share with the youngers, that they should teach their kids pay respect and regards to everything in and around your, in any form, in any way, so that surrounding like you. And the third one is that before making them a good or successful person in their life, try to make them a good human being.
It was a wonderful time with you, Daddy. I got to know so many new things, and now I know the meaning of a father. It was a very informative session for all of us. I'm proud to be your daughter and will surely make you proud. Love you lots. We wish all the fathers a very happy Father's Day. Keep your father happy, keep your family happy. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, beta.